I'm freaked out that I'm here. See how their feathers are growing in? Yeah. And their beaks, and they're so cute, right? The nest isn't big enough anymore for the bird, the babies. So they put themselves here in the corner. Not in the nest, they're too big now. But the mommy and Abba, I don't think could take them out. And this part of the window doesn't come out. So I'm not sure what exactly to do to help them. Hopefully the parents will figure out how to get them out. The baby birds came out of the nest. I think the nest was not big enough for them. Should we open this? I don't want them to get hurt. Do the babies want to come out? Ow! One of the mommy birds, the apple bird, went and pecked my finger. I'm trying to help you. Silly birds. Trying to help them. The nest wasn't big enough anymore for them. The baby birds are trying to get out. There's another one. There's two here. One here. Another one who jumped down somewhere. Where'd it go? I want them to be able to get out. I don't know if I should pick them up or not. If that won't hurt, the parents will get upset about that. Maybe, I don't know. Oh, here's the other one. Two of them flew away. Wow. The baby birds have all officially flown away.